Welcome to my favorite features of my listing at 222 Sunrise Court in Belmont. This impeccable home is going to surprise you. It has about 1,600 square feet on the main level and is listed for $219,000. This home's very well maintained and cared for. It's evident as you walk through. There's a vaulted ceiling and a freestanding wood-burning fireplace. The open floor plan has a roomy kitchen, and wait until you see the size of the master bedroom. It's great, and it has great light too. It has a private master bath, and there's main floor laundry and an epoxy finish on the garage floor. The basement is not finished, which leaves more potential for you, and it walks out to the large backyard with fencing. This home is incredible, and I can't wait to hear what you love about it. Schedule your private showing today or check it out on my website, www.nancysmith.firstweber.com.